Let's see what's in my analog project bag to keep me off of my phone for a whole weekend. This post is not about overconsumption. These are things that I had or that were very inexpensive. I've got some bubblegum balls just because chewing helps me relax. Little creativity project, a sequin heart. I have some hand cream. I have a bracelet. I have some clips and paper clips. I have a book holder. I'm just going to take the tag off while I'm here. And of course I have a book. I have no idea if this is any good, but we'll see. We'll find out. Got a 1,000 piece puzzle that I got from the thrift shop. I have 2 magazines. These are both older magazines. This one's Frankie. It's an Australian magazine, very beautiful and fun to look at. And of course, Martha Stewart Living from 2013. Also very beautiful to look at. And I've got sketchbook. And I've got a notebook. I always pick these up at the thrift shop. This one was a couple dollars. I have my calendar. I have a sticker book. I have some sticky notes. And some highlighters. These were $3 at the thrift shop. These are my favorite markers. They're from Five Below. I also got these scented markers from the Dollar Tree. This is from the thrift shop. It is a box of paints. I got a correction tape, also from the Dollar Tree. And some Post-it notes. I have some string in case I want to make something. I have my trusty pen case. I've got a stamp pad. Assortment of markers, pencils, and a glue stick. And that should keep me off my phone for a whole weekend. Here is an overview of everything that I put in my analog project bag. Lots of choices of things to work on. Let me know what you would put in your analog project bag.